Yes, dear student, as you all are facing problem how to submit your work in Google Classroom, here I am going to suggest you some steps. Now you will see that firstly you have to go to your Google Classroom. Now, in order to see whether your Google Classroom, you have joined the Google Classroom as a student through your email ID, then you have to check, you have to click over the three bars which are given on the left hand corner. Here you can change your email ID by clicking over this arrow sign. You can get the email IDs which are opening through this, which are operating through your mobile phone. So here you can see 3 or 4 email ID there. If you have joined in whatever email ID through which you have joined the classroom, you have to select that, and then you have to work on your uh, Google Classroom. Now this is your Google Classroom. Suppose one assignment is there in 8th B. You are the student of 8th B and classwork. Firstly you will see your classwork, and in the science I have given an assignment to my students. So in science topic I will search for that science copy checking. Okay, due today. Okay, I will click over it, and here the teacher has given the assignment to you: complete and submit your work in separate PDFs, that is for chapter 1, 2, 11 and 12. So how to attach your PDFs which you have prepared earlier for submitting to your teacher. So your work, you can see at the bottom your work is there and one arrow sign is there. Click over it, swipe it and add attachment. You can see you have to attach the file with it. So you will press add attachment. The options will come from where you have to attach, whether the material is there in drive, in link or in file, or you want to take a photo, etc. So you have prepared a file, so I will click over the file. Okay, here so many PDFs you can see. Now I will select any one of them and let's see how it is working. By clicking over it, you can see the processing has started. It has started attaching that PDF with your work. Once it is completed, you will be able to see that name of that file here on the screen. It takes little time because of the connectivity problem. Some of the time it happens, it takes time. Now you can see the name of the file is here, chapter 5 by Mrs. Ritu, and here I have to resubmit it. In your when you have to submit it for the first time, you will have the options like hand in or turn in, but here I have submitted this assignment earlier also. The other option is coming to me, resubmit. So I will resubmit it, resubmit, hand in. Okay, I have submitted this work. Now the message will come to you, work submitted. Now this is the work you have submitted as a student. Now what I will see as a teacher, I will show you in my screen also. Now I have to change the email ID. Now I am the teacher Anju Chabra. I will show you. Now my screen has changed. In whatever the classes I am teaching there, I am going to see that on the screen. So 8th B, the work has been submitted by the copy checking work has been submitted by Dev Chabra. I will see that. I will see that work. Firstly, I will go to my topic, that is science copy checking. This is the instructions which you have seen there. And now student work, I will see the student, those who have handed the assignment properly, the way I have suggested you, in that way only you have to handle. If you are handling the assignment in that particular way, then you are able to, you will be given marks. So only the student, those who have handed the assignment, are getting the marks. Here assigned means these students have not done the work, have not submitted back the submitted the assignment to me, and this to these students I have given the marks by returning their assignment, by giving their marks. Okay, so I hope it is very much clear with you. In this way you have to submit your assignment of submit your assignment of submitting PDF of your notes in Google Classroom. I hope it is very much clear with you.